Hi guys, today I want to show you how to make bootable USB on your Mac. So first you need to download one app which is free, and in the name from GitHub. You need to GitHub Mac OS and open the link, and yeah, here's the name, or just Google it. Just Google it from GitHub, Gitmap macOS, and download here. Just colon and open the folder in your downloads. This is archive, so you need to use default one or an archive somehow on your desktop. Just to make sure to easy follows the steps. Okay, open the folder, and you will see there is a few files, and we need the terminal as well. And second thing, we need this command, gib macOS command, but you need to, open the settings and just this developer, open it again. This unknown, here's the terminal, and it's looking for available operating systems. Like in my case, I would go with the Catalina 10.15.3, so I need to press 13, I guess. It's right over here. Or choose your own version. I've increased for you the screen, like terminal size, so you can see what I'm typing here. I will choose 10.15.3. This is one exactly, but choose whatever you need version. Okay, and press enter. And this will download, and I guess I'm gonna skip it because it's quite heavy file, and you need to make sure you have enough storage on your PC, on your Mac or PC, whatever. So I skip for a while. Okay, I'm all done. I'm just have my Catalina here. It's just a file, but it's not Catalina, but it's just a file. Okay. Next step, open on your downloads. Like on your desktop folder, and you see there's public releases, and you will see your Catalina or any other OS which you just download, right? But it's all fine, but but before all this, you need to build OS. Okay, doing the same steps, run the command build OS, build macOS, and you need to drop the file, okay, the largest one from macOS downloads folder. And you see this is under the public release of your downloaded version of macOS. In my case, it would be, again, it would be larger file with the name, just install yeah, this one. This is a 767 gigs. Okay, just drag and drop here, KPG file, and press enter. Okay, this will mount Catalina executable file. It's not the executable technically, but it's Catalina file to your system, and all you need to do just copy and cut holding Alt button, or just option button. Just copy and paste this install macOS. It's the same desktop file there, and paste to your application. So just copy from here. This is on my desktop, and please paste into application. If you want to not just copy and paste, but just um, copy and cut and paste, right? You need to hold and paste as well. Hold the option button. The next step, open the support Apple documentation for your OS. You will see different commands, so you need the terminal as well. For my case, it's a Catalina, so we'll use a second one. But if you Big Sur version or something else, choose choose Mojave or your exact version. Okay, I press Q to finish. Okay, and open terminal as well. You see in application I still have my install macOS Catalina. Okay, I close this everything I don't need. Okay. In my case, again, it's a Catalina, so we'll copy from support Apple. You can Google this, how to make bootable USB, and as a first link, but try to have, you know, this the site from Apple, not something else. Okay. Um, okay. You see, volumes and volumes. This is required your USB drive, okay, USB flash. You need to put your USB right now if you want to mount on your USB. So the step is just put your USB drive or USB stick into USB, and you need to rename your USB drive as my volume. Okay, I have my own, and I will just rename, but backup before your USB drive some important data for just to make sure you're not remove anything. So I will use my Catalina executable line, and as you see, I rename my USB drive as my volume and press enter. Um, yeah, but you can use your own name, by the way, not only my volume. Just can use your name. Okay, next step is yes, type Y to continue, and this will copy macOS Catalina to my USB drive, and it would be like a few minutes. Yeah, um, this is a full process. You need to just hold down for a while and make sure you follow every and each step, okay, to follow properly. So you will create the bootable USB, and okay, make sure your name of the your USB volume or your USB drive exactly as it is on this line of installing. Okay, if it's not, you can make sure or just rename or just rename my volume in this terminal line. Okay, just for your exact like USB drive or something. Okay, I finished making bootable, copying files, and it's all done. Okay, it's, you see, this is my USB drive. I mean, it's not USB, but it's now on my drive. You will see there's macOS bootable, or yeah, and my application as well. Later you will definitely remove from your application, you don't need. The second thing is to open core bootloader. This is required if you want to use your Hackintosh on your PC. If you're on a Mac, you don't need this. You're all done. It's just that easy. But the extra step for for those who on Windows, but I mean want to create bootable Clover version or for Windows version. Okay, this is the steps. Make sure you select the your USB drive. Okay, not select something else and then customize. And one thing is check Clover UEFI bootable. Okay, don't forget to put. This is a pretty simple process. I mean, like one step at a time. It's not that hard, but make sure you will customize your installation. Okay, in my case, I'm gonna select Clover 2 if I bootable only, and as well as maybe some drivers, but this is not required because I guess I later will replace them with my own. But I need to create bootable EFI folder just to replace default. Maybe you can choose something from here or like audio drivers, whatever. But I guess I don't need. I mean, I just make sure something I will install, but later I will open EFI, mount my EFI and just replace for something I need for my computer because I have few computers. Okay, so this is a USB will have EFI folder as well. Not only Catalina, but EFI folder for those who not on Windows. Okay, wants to make Hackintosh version. And so your USB drive will not only have Catalina but EFI as well. If you're on the Mac, you don't need this. You just make a bootable drive, and this is an extra step for those who want to, yeah, you see, modify your Clover or modify your later EFI for just for some computer or even open core. Okay, I will unmount, and that's pretty much it. We create a bootable drive of any version, actually, macOS, like Mojave, Catalina, Big Sur, any version. And if I want, I'm gonna check as well, like using this app. Okay, that's it pretty much. Have a good time. I'm hoping you enjoy it. Thank you so much. Subscribe to the channel and have a good day. Bye bye.